Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel Daily Greens versus Ag1, which is better. Pause the video and have both products or labels ready for a quick comparison. I'll walk through ingredients, taste, convenience, and value so you can decide which fits your routine. Expect practical tips on mixing, when to take them, and common trade-offs like nutrient breadth versus focused green blends for daily use. I'll break down the ingredient labels in plain language so you can see where each product shines. We'll compare core vitamins, mineral coverage, probiotic inclusion, and any proprietary blends that hide exact dosages. I'll point out ingredients that matter most for energy, digestion, and immune support, and highlight potential overlaps or gaps that could affect whether you need extra supplements alongside either product. Let's talk taste, texture, and how these powders fit your daily routine in a practical way. I'll share mixing tips to reduce clumping, suggestions for flavor pairings, and how each powder behaves in water, smoothies, or with milk. We'll weigh convenience factors like scoop size, travel friendliness, and whether you prefer a greens-focused drink or a broader nutrient formula for one-step daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.